Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making my style roast beef. Here I have olive oil, cilantro, bell peppers, cumin, minced garlic, and red onion. Here I grab my chopped beef and throw it in my pressure cooker for around 10 minutes. You could also use a stove top for around half an hour. Now that my beef is cooked, I'm throwing it on my pan. I add 1 large red onion, 3 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 3 bell peppers, and a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, mix it all together, and then I add 1/3 cup of olive oil. Now I'm making some smoked garlic. I do this by grabbing 1 head of garlic, dipping it in some olive oil, and just wrapping it in aluminum folder. I make 3 of these, I put them in my pan, and then I let everything cook for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it. Now I'm just grabbing my smoked garlic and I'm going to put it on top of my beef just to add a little bit more flavor. كسرات ظهورك عندنا مثلها طوار يا سيدي يا سيدي واللي عجز معك مادور صار ما يعرف للأفلاك وتزار صرت مقبول من الذنب Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and smash the bell. Bye.